Hi everyone, designing and formatting a web page. In this section, we'll learn about various elements used in designing a web page. First one, heading. Heading tag is used to define different heading levels in the HTML document. There are 6 heading levels, that is H1 to H6. H1 heading style displays the head text in the largest size and is used for main heading. The text increases to 24 points font size. The lowest level H6 reduces the font size 8 points. The lower levels are used for subheadings and less important things. These heading tags are written within the body tag of the document. One thing you should remember that a HTML document always starts with the HTML and closes with the HTML tag. Coming to the head part, the title always lies between the head. Whatever the title you want to give to the web page, you need to write that in between title tags. Coming to the body, whatever the text you want to display, you should write that in between body tag. H1 tag. H1 tag is used to write main headings. It is a tag which displays the biggest heading. H6 is used for not much important headings and subheadings. It is reduces to 8 points. Close body, then close HTML. Coming to the paragraph, any text containing more than a few lines should be given inside the paragraph tag. P tag is used to display the text in the form of paragraph. To mark the end of a paragraph, closing P tag is used. A paragraph can be aligned using the attribute named align. P tag. P tag is used to start a new paragraph. P align equal to center. This align equal to center used to align the text into center. That means whatever the text between this P tag, P align equal to center tag, it will display in the center of the page. P align equal to right aligns the text to the right side of the page, and P align equal to left aligns the text to left side of the page. P align equal to justify aligns the text from both the left and right margins. That means it will equalize the lines . Coming to the comment tag, so far you have seen that whatever you write in between tags is in body, structure gets displayed in the web browser. Sometimes you want to write notes for yourself in an HTML document, but don't want them to be displayed in the browser window. In such a case, you need to use comment tag. Open comment tag, write your comment and close the comment tag. Coming to the break tag, this tag breaks the line and displays the text from the next line without giving any space between two lines. It should be given in the end of the line after which a new line is required. It is a type of empty element. That means break tag will not have the closing tag. It has only on tag. It doesn't have off tag. Coming to the HR tag, it is used as a separator between blocks of text. The HR element draws a horizontal line across the page. Type HR where you want to insert a horizontal line in between the text. The size attribute of HR is given values in terms of pixels. A pixel is equal to dividing an inch into 72 points. As I already said, an HTML document always starts with HTML tag and closes with HTML tag. Coming to the head, the title always lies in the head tag, and whatever the text, whatever the title you want to give to the page, you need to write that in between title, open tag and close tag. Coming to body tag, HR size is equal to 12, P align equal to center. Here you write your paragraph and close paragraph tag. Then the whole paragraph will come into the center of the page, because here you used P align equal to center align. Coming to down, P align equal to justify. Type your text, then close the paragraph tag. I already said that justify means the justify aligns the text from both left and right margins. That means it will, the starting and ending of the sentences will be equalized. Okay, then close body tag, then close HTML tag. Thank you.